Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Today we are going over self-defense instruction day 4. Okay, so now we're starting to get into it. Make sure if you have questions, you're reaching out to me or Mrs. Olson. Make sure we're staying on top of those assignments because they're just going to keep building up. So for today, we are going to cover the side kick, and then we're going to review the knife hand strikes, which we talked about on day 3 of self-defense instruction. All right, so task 1, you're going to watch my video taking you through today's content and expectations. Task 2, you're going to go through the PowerPoint on your own and watch the videos within the PowerPoint. And then task 3, you're going to upload today's video reflection of what you learned for your exit ticket. So task 1, watching my video, good job. Task 2, we're going to go through the PowerPoint on your own and watch the videos within it. So you can click here for the PowerPoint, or it's also linked at the bottom here. Okay, so if we click on it here, it's going to take us through side kick and knife hand strikes review. So this is about 15 minutes. I like to tell you guys how much time it's going to take just so you can plan that out. It's going to go through a little bit of a review here, just showing you pictures of what to expect. We have 2 videos there that are going to teach you how to do it and some practice techniques. And then here we're asking you to practice for both legs, okay? So for 1 minute, you're going to kick with your right leg, and then you're going to kick with your left leg, okay? And you're going to repeat that. So it's going to be 4 minutes per side kick, all right? And then there's this 1 minute video here as well. So this slide should take you about 5 minutes. Then these 2 slides are reviews of the knife hand strike from last week. After you've gone through all of that, today's assignment, you are going to show us yourself practicing the side kick. Okay, so you must include your name. The video should be 30 seconds at least, 10 side kicks with your right leg, and 10 side kicks with your left leg. All right, once you have taken that video, you are going to upload it down here at the bottom by 11:59 tonight. So if you have any questions, please let me know.